What are the top banks in the United States? The Federal Reserve has rolled out a list of top U.S. banks by assets, and we've broken down exactly how these financial service giants manage to stay ahead of the competition. For decades, banks have been merging, partnering, and expanding, so much so that the top 4 banks accounted for 50% of all U.S. banking assets last year. In addition to having more than $1 trillion in consolidated domestic assets, J.P. Morgan Chase, Bank of America, Citigroup, and Wells Fargo increased their tech spending to meet the growing demand for efficient mobile banking apps and compete with neobanks and other fintechs. The incumbents' shift towards digital strategy gave them an edge among customers, from traditional to early adopters, regardless of their level of comfort with technology. This demonstrates that digital payment options are no longer complementary, but crucial in today's mobile-first world. These are the top 10 banks in the U.S. by assets, with key insights as to how they got there, where they plan to go in the future, and how smaller banks can stand out in a competitive industry. 1. J.P. Morgan Chase -$3.31 trillion. By targeting digitally savvy consumers and introducing artificial intelligence (AI) to its offerings, J.P. Morgan Chase has been able to outperform its competitors. J.P. Morgan is playing the long game by acquiring millennials through digital channels, in hopes of eventually converting them to higher-value customers. Additionally, J.P. Morgan is investing heavily in banking technology, and had the biggest tech budget of all banks in 2019 with $11.4 billion. A key focus of these funds is identifying use cases to implement AI techniques such as leveraging voice assistants to enable investment banking clients to access analyst reports and stock exchange information. 2. Bank of America -$2.41 trillion. Bank of America has been able to cut costs and appeal to young users by adapting strategies for the digital age. The bank's digitized branches, which allow customers to access contactless ATMs and connect with call centers via video conference technology, accumulated half the traffic of nearby branches only 5 months after launching in 2017. Bank of America's digital-only services have also redefined what the company offers its customers. Its voice-enabled assistant, Erica, allows customers to make peer-to-peer (P2P) payments as well as bill payments. Since officially launching in 2017, Erica has surpassed 15 million users. 3. Citigroup -$1.714 trillion. For 4 years in a row, Citibank has been named the best bank for high-net-worth families by Kiplinger's Personal Finance. For customers that maintain $200,000 in deposit, retirement, and investment accounts, the bank grants them access to its Citigold package. Insider Intelligence's Mobile Banking Competitive Edge study also shows that Citi took the top spot for digital money management tools, as rated by consumers. Its in-platform features, including the ability to view recurring charges and see a financial wellness score, helped Citi secure a spot as one of the best banks in the U.S. 4. Wells Fargo & Company -$1.712 trillion. Wells Fargo is following the lead of top competitors by targeting millennials through mobile financial services. Pay with Wells Fargo is a mobile service where users can access their most used payment features before signing into the app. Additionally, Wells Fargo's app, Greenhouse, helps customers simplify their bills and track spending. Over the last year, Wells Fargo has been optimizing its business to focus on sectors with strong revenue-generating potential, like credit cards. For example, the financial services firm has a new suite of Visa credit cards, which will directly challenge a joint card from PayPal, Synchrony Financial, as well as Citigroup's Double Cash, per Bloomberg. 5. U.S. Bancorp -$591.21 billion. U.S. Bancorp, the parent company of U.S. Bank National Association, earned a spot on the list of top U.S. banks. Due to its commitment to compete with tech giants making their way into the banking industry. With Facebook, Amazon, Apple, and Google all announcing their desire to launch financial services, U.S. Bancorp was inspired to improve its own technology. According to Terry Dolan, Chief Financial Officer of U.S. Bancorp, the bank plans to partner with fintechs in order to maintain competitive banking technology. 6. PNC Financial Services -$553.39 billion. PNC Bank stands out as a top U.S. bank due to its specialized customer perks and original products and services. For example, PNC offers mobile payment options to corporate clients who hold Visa commercial cards, allowing them to leverage popular mobile wallets like Apple Pay. What's more, PNC has taken steps to combat fraud, a growing problem in the financial industry and the digital world, including piloted credit cards with card verification values that periodically refresh. While fraudsters may be able to guess 3-digit CVV codes relatively easily due to the limited number of permutations, periodically changing CVVs makes stolen data less valuable. Most recently, PNC responded to the rise in digital banking by rolling out hybrid branches called solution centers, housing self-serve tools such as video teller machines, ATMs, and mobile workstations, while in-person staff assist with more complex needs. 7. Truist Financial Corporation minus $534.19 billion. Truist is the bank formed by Branch Banking and Trust Company, BB&T, and SunTrust at the end of 2019. According to the Federal Reserve's 2019 figures, BB&T and SunTrust were ranked 11th and 12th in bank assets, respectively. 8. Goldman Sachs minus $513.91 billion. A newcomer to the top 10, Goldman Sachs is a well-known global investment banking, management, and securities firm. Its clients have access to a variety of financial services, including banking products through Marcus, its online banking division that made its debut in fall 2016 and began offering personal loans per Bankrate. While its investment banking arm experienced a hit in Q3 of 2022, Goldman saw its consumer and wealth management revenue increase 18% year-over-year due to credit card balances and higher interest rates. 9. TD Bank minus $394.33 billion. In addition to having extensive influence abroad, TD Bank has become one of the largest banks in the U.S. due to its integration of artificial intelligence and utilization of digital technology. TD Bank has partnered with Kai Consumer Banking to launch Clari, an AI-powered chatbot in Canada. Clari answers customers' questions via text message and notifies them when credit card payments and when a payment is made. As Clari has significantly cut down the call volume in Canada, it is likely that TD Bank may develop a similar chatbot for its U.S. branches. 10. Capital One minus $391.81 billion. Capital One has made the list of top U.S. banks, likely due to its ongoing commitment to digital transformation. Capital One increased its technology staff from 2,500 in 2011 to 9,000 in 2019, helping launch Enoit's AI-powered chatbot, similar to Bank of America's Erica. Despite its major data breach in mid-2019, the bank also came first on our Banking Digital Trust Report, where it was the frontrunner on all 6 pillars of trust: security, privacy, reputation, reliability, ease of use, and feature breadth. If you find this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.